Hey folks, it's Tommy Zee, and I wanted to give you a quick update about this channel, what we've been up to, and what you can expect from us in the coming weeks, in the coming months, hopefully years. A little bit of a backstory. About a year ago, we decided to split off our academy into a separate channel. And at the time, we thought that the Anthem sounded like a fantastic name for us to run our academy under. Now, the Anthem, I still believe it's a great name. I mean, it sounds musical, it sounds great and all, but it somehow did not connect emotionally with our core brand, which is Tommy Zee, which is Uncle Zee. It was just missing that sort of a Z element, and it felt somehow separate from our core brand. And so after long deliberation, we've simply decided to take the Anthem Academy channel and call it the Zee Academy. So you might notice some videos on this channel that still have the Anthem Academy branding, which is fine. The content is still relevant. The content still applies. I reviewed all of the videos, and everything I'm saying in these videos still rings true today. And so I invite you to watch the videos, all the videos on this channel. But going forward, any videos that we publish from today on will be branded as Zee Academy. And we've been actually preparing and planning a pretty intense content schedule. We have ambitious plans to feature content every week around business, mindset, and music production, all taught by people who are in the game. I don't want to run one of these channels where there's some theories going on by musicians who aren't actually making a living from music. So this is also partly why we separated this channel from my personal channel, because I wanted to feature other people. I didn't just want it to be me. I'm happy to talk about mindset, about principles, about rhythms and routines, because that's what I'm personally into. But some of you might want to know, hey, how do I level up my composition game? How do I level up my music production game? And these are things that I'm not directly involved with as somebody who runs a music production company, okay? I have composers actually creating the music. But since a lot of you want to up your composition or your music production game, I want to feature the pros who are best in the game at creating the kind of music that gives you goosebumps. So we're going to feature those kinds of folks on our channel. We're going to feature mindset advice, business advice, craft advice, and some other exciting things, including live streams and Q&A, so you get to connect with us directly. Basically, whatever you guys request, whatever is likely to create a serious transformation for you, okay? For those of you who are interested in my personal journey as a creative entrepreneur, music producer, and whatever crazy other things I'm into these days, we're going to link my personal channel, Tommy Zee, below. Whoever wants to see our work, please go to tommyzee.co. This is our music production company. We're going to link that below. And for those of you who want to make a living right from your home studio without selling, streaming, or touring, this is going to be the place where we make it happen. If there's something specific that you would like to learn from this channel, or someone specific that you would like to hear from, please let us know in the comments below, as we're planning our content calendar right now. At the end of the day, I want this channel to help you level up in your craft and help you make a living right from your home studio. That's it. It's simple, maybe not easy, but I think it's a worthwhile challenge. My name is Tommy Zee. This is Zee Academy. We'll see you in the next video.